Hi guys! Recently a friend of mine complained to me about paying more taxes to IRS while she's already paying a lot with her husband. So her main question is how to pay IRS as less as possible as a self-employed musician. So in today's video, I'm going to briefly answer her question and hopefully that's helpful to you as well. I think when it comes to paying less tax, it's mainly talking about how can we get smaller taxable income. There are three elements that I think it's very important. The first, contributions to qualified account. Second is business deductions. Third one is tax credit. Since the taxable income is the gross income minus deduction minus the contributions, so the higher the deduction and contributions are, the lower the taxable incomes is. As a result, you might fall into a lower tax bracket, so you get to pay less tax. The tax credit, it's the amount you subtract from the tax you own. Tax credit don't affect your taxable income. Instead, they offer a dollar-to-dollar reduction of your tax bill. If you have tax credit, the higher the tax credit is, the lower the tax you pay. So I'm gonna list some items for musicians and self-employed artists. For contributions, include money contribute to SHA account 529, retirement account, including your IRA and 401k. And also contribution to charitable account. For deductions, it include home office, business cards, capital loss, home mortgage interest, property tax, and some medical and dental expenses, business supplies, professional services, insurance, advertisement and marketing, music software, business travel expenses, training and educations, recording expenses, membership and dues, and more. If you are a self-employed musician like me, I spend a lot of time in my home studio working on client project. Knowing the details of the deduction will be really helpful to you. For example, home office deduction. If you use part of your home for conducting business, you may be able to deduct expenses such as mortgage interest, insurance, utility repairs, and depreciations for that area. You'll need to figure out the percentage of your home devoted to your business activity, utility repair, and depreciations. A few months ago, I got my new keyboard from Native Instrument, and it's really cool. I really like it. Musical instrument and equipment and the cost of purchasing, renting, repairing, and maintaining musical instrument, amplifiers, microphones, and sound system used for performances or recordings can also be deducted. Another example would be professional fees. The fees for agents, lawyers, and accountants is also deductible. There's another example that's for recording expenses. So this includes studio rental, sound engineering fees, and production costs for recordings that generate income. If you really want to go into details, there's a really great book. It's called Lower Your Taxes for Small Business Wealth Building and Tax Reduction Secret. So let me give you a brief example to help you understand this better. If you make $120,000 a year, if you contribute $5,000 to your 529 account, contribute another $8,000 to HSA, contribute $10,000 to your retirement account, and let's say if you have $20,000 business deduction, it will immediately reduce your overall taxable income from level 4 to level 3. And you automatically fall into a lower tax bracket. If you'd like to discuss more details, I'm happy to discuss with you, and please also consult your accountant. But there's one more thing I think is important for everyone that's working with an accountant. Accountants are very busy. 90% of the accountant on market, their main job is to help you file tax, keep you on track. Make sure everything is appropriate. Not many of them do tax planning unless you ask them to. So some of you complained to me your accountant didn't keep you updated on what item can be deducted, and so you lost the opportunity to deduct more in your previous tax filing. So this happens a lot because accountants are very, very busy. So you should be the one be on top of it. And you may say, oh, if I want to be on top of it, what's the point of getting an accountant? So that's a dilemma. And as a self-employed person, sometimes you have to be able to run every type of shows. But I'm always happy to answer your questions with the best of my ability. If you like more videos like this, please give me a like. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and see you next time.